Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm good. How are you, brother?
I am fine also. Thank you. So
Okay.
we wait 1 or 2
How is it?
minutes
How
for
is it?
another participant join. Then
Yeah.
we'll start our second class. Okay. 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 So I simply share my screen. Hopefully my screen is visible, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So okay. Thank you. Okay. I am going to my presentation slide. Okay. Okay. So hi and welcome to the 8 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. Okay, so already we complete our first number of session. So this is our second number of session. Okay, so I am a course coordinator. Already I mentioned all of the things. So this is our total course outline. Already I mentioned in our first number of class. So that's why I skip this part. Okay, so okay, so now I am going to our second day's course item. Our second day's course item, how to first item is how to filtering satellite images. How you can easily filter any satellite images from Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Suppose any satellite data set, suppose Sentinel satellite data set, Landsat satellite data set, or Modi satellite data set, or anything. Okay, how you can easily filter. Then how to displaying satellite images, how you can easily display these satellite images in Google Earth Engine platform, any satellite images, the Landsat, Sentinel, or Modis, any. Then we learn how you can easily using band combination in satellite imagery, band combination using satellite imagery, all of the things. Then band combination of different data set in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so then we focus how to export, how you can easily export any satellite imagery using Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose you make your easy to moderate or any advanced analysis, and this the satellite imagery you want to export in your Google Drive. Okay, so how you can easily export this satellite imagery using Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose Landsat satellite imagery or Sentinel satellite imagery or anything. Then we learn how to import, how you can easily import, filter, reduce, clip, and display any satellite data in Google Earth Engine platform. That means how you can easily import any satellite data set from Google Earth Engine public data catalog to code editor. Then how you can easily filter it, filter by your specific time frame, filter by your specific region. Okay, all the things, filter by your specific metadata. Then how you can easily reduce image collection. Okay, then we clip your study area, own interested study area, and finally display these images or these dataset images in Google Earth Engine code editor or Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to calculate any indices, suppose NDVI, normalized difference vegetation index, NDWI, normalized difference water index, NDBI, normalized difference build up index from this satellite imagery, suppose Landsat, Sentinel, or Modis, any data set. How you can easily calculate any index or indices, suppose NDVI, NDWI, NDBI, NDSI, SAVI, MNDSI, all of the things. Then how to make time series chart, how you can easily make time series chart and time series data of suppose NDVI, normalized difference vegetation index, NDWI, normalized difference water index from Modis and Landsat data set. Then we focus how to make or how to create any shape file of your interested region and export this shape file in your Google Drive, or you make a downloadable link or automatically downloadable link of this shape file using Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so this is our second day's course items. So you see here the two images. Yes, you see here the Google Earth Engine public data catalog. When you go to the Google Earth Engine public data catalog, we see these images first. Okay, so then this is the Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Here you see lots of the satellite data set icon. Here you see the Landsat 4, Landsat 5, 7, 8, raw image, top atmospheric image, surface reflectance image, and here you see the MODIS data set. MODIS daily, MODIS monthly, MODIS 8 days, MODIS 16 days, MODIS LST, MODIS NDVI, lots of MODIS dataset available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Then you see at the land cover, okay, SRTM dataset, globe cover, okay, hillshade, okay, DEM dataset, land cover dataset, globe cover, NLCD, and lots of the dataset of land cover available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Then atmospheric, suppose CRISP dataset for rainfall dataset or anything. Okay, and this is the Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Here you see the lots of image. You access 5 petabytes, more than 5 petabytes of data. Okay, and nowadays 400, more than 400 public dataset available, and daily 4,000, more than 4,000 new images update every day, and day by day they are updating. Okay, so then we go to our next slide. So Google Earth Engine public data catalog, GE public data catalog, already I mentioned is. So this is our Google Earth Engine main public data catalog address. Okay, already we search in our code editor, so don't worry about this. So okay, so first of all I am going to my new code editor. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is our Google Earth Engine code editor. You see here the search option. Okay, with the search button, you see here the browse data catalog or suggest a new data set. So we go to the browse data catalog. Okay, when you go to the browse data catalog, you see here this type of interface. Here you see the all data set, view all data set, Landsat satellite data set, MODIS data set, Sentinel data set, and you see here the all data set. You see here the weather and climate data set. Here you see the weather and climate data set, and surface temperature data set, then atmospheric data set, weather data set. Okay, lots of the data set available in Google Earth in public data catalog. Geophysical data set, land cover, then other geophysical data, cropland, all of the lots of the data set available. So we simply click the view all data sets. Then we see lots of the data set, more than 400 to 500 data set available here. Okay, already we see here lots of the Google Earth Engine public data catalog available in here. So after that, first of all we learn some first day item. Okay, already I see here, already I mentioned this page. Okay, Google Earth Engine data catalog. Here you see the lots of data set. Australian 5-meter DEM data set. Okay, SRTM, but NASA SRTM data set, NASA SRTM digital elevation data set version 4. Lots of data set available. You see here, this is our harmonized Sentinel 2 MSI multi-spectral instrument dataset level 1C. Okay, lots of dataset. Then you see the Sentinel 5 NRTI cloud dataset, near real-time cloud dataset. All of the dataset you see easily from Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Okay, so you see here the also you see. Wait a minute. Okay, so also you see lots of data set available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. It's totally free for user. Okay, so as a new learner, you step by step you see all of the data set and acquire your knowledge level. Okay, increase your knowledge level. Here you see the global map of forest cover year of 2020. Okay, lots of data set available. So basically I want to show, wait a minute, lots of data set available. Okay, so okay, so already this is our NDVI data set. Also available Sentinel, Landsat, Modis, and lots of data set are available in Google. Easily you search in our Google Earth Engine search button and find your required data set. Okay, suppose if you want to wait a minute, if you want to find, suppose if you want to click on a Landsat, so here you see the Landsat, all of the Landsat data set, Landsat 9, this data set available time year of 2021 to present time, Landsat 8 data set, Landsat year of 2013 to present time, Landsat 7 ETM plus data set year of 1999 to sorry 1999 to year of 2021, Landsat 5 dataset 1984 to this time period, Landsat 4 dataset 1 to lots of dataset. If you want to click on this Landsat 8 dataset, you see here the Landsat 8 dataset, raw images, surface reflectance images, top atmospheric reflectance, all the dataset. I can easily import the dataset from Google Earth Engine code public data catalog. Then how to filter this data, we learn step by step all of the things, how you can import, filter, reduce, clip, and display the final display the data in our map interactive view. So now I am going to my code editor, and suppose we any data set we find, suppose we randomly if you want you can use the browse data catalog and go to the here you see Landsat data set, Modi data set, Sentinel data set. So randomly we select the Landsat data set. Okay, randomly we select Landsat data set. From Landsat data set you see here the lots of Landsat data set available. These are to all of the collection 2, Landsat collection 2, the second major reprocessing effort on the Landsat receive. All of the things of this Landsat dataset available. Here is the Landsat 9, Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 5, all of the Landsat dataset, Landsat dataset available. So now randomly we click the Landsat 8. Here you see the Landsat top atmospheric surface reflectance images, surface top atmospheric reflectance, surface reflectance images, and raw images. From this randomly we select suppose top atmospheric reflectance. Okay, just for example. Okay, so here you see the all of the information of the data set. You see here the USGS Landsat 8 collection to tier 1 TOA reflectance. Okay, this data set availability time year of 2013 to year of 2024. That means update time. Okay, year 2013 to this time, the dataset provider USGS, Google, this is our Earth Engine snippet. Okay, so already I mentioned how you can easily import the dataset. You simply copy this Google Earth Engine snippet and paste in your code editor. Simply copy and paste in your code editor and set a variable name. Suppose variable name is Landsat 8. You can, if you want, you can use any variable number. This is the one way. Just you easily copy this Google Earth Engine snippet, and paste in code editor for importing. Another way is you search here. Suppose you search the Landsat. Okay, when you search as the Landsat, all of the land, suppose we choose the Landsat 8 dataset, specifically Landsat 8. Here you see the lots of Landsat 8 dataset. Landsat 8 collection to tier 1 top atmospheric reflectance, collection to tier 1 and 1 real time data raw sense, collection 8 Landsat 8 collection to tier 2 raw sense. Lots of the Landsat 8 dataset, and if you are more see more all of the things you see here. So from this data set, suppose randomly I click this collection to tier 1 raw parameter, click to this data set, and if you want to import all of the description, Landsat 8 collection to tier 1 calibrated top atmospheric reflectance calibration coefficients and extracted from the image metadata, all of the things data set available. If you want to see the band combination of this satellite data set, here you see the total band combination, that is B1, B1 band indicate the coastal aerosol band, 30-meter resolution, wavelength 0.43 to 0.45 micrometer. Band 2, B2 indicate the blue band. Band 3, B3 indicate the green band. B4 indicate the red band, B5 indicate the near infrared band NIR, and B6 indicate the short wave infrared band SWIR1. All of the band are 30-meter resolution, and this the band 7 is short wave SWIR2, short wave infrared band 2, and band 8 is the panchromatic band. Band 9 the Ceras band. Band 10 indicate the thermal. When we when you want to use the analyzing your land surface temperature monitoring from Landsat dataset, we use this band 10 thermal infrared band. Okay, and band 11, all of the things, all of the description of this dataset band description available in this under the variable name band. And you see here the image properties. Image property is the first image property, the cloud cover. Oh, when you click the when easily open in our new tab, on all of the information you see the image properties you share the cloud cover. That means percentage of the cloud 0 to 100. Minus 1 is not calculated. And cloud cover land, that means percentage cloud cover only for land. Okay, and collection category. Okay, collection number, all of the data set properties, image properties available in this stored in the variable name image property band. All of the band you see the B1 B2 B3 B6, all of the data set description available here. Okay, so now if you want to import the data set in your code editor, just click to the import button. Here you see the click to the import button, click to the import, or this is a one way. And another way is a click to the copy the collection snippet, earth engine collection snippet, and paste in the code editor. Already we okay, now we click to the import button, and automatically this data set is stored in the stored in our uh, stored in our code open in our code editor. And you see here the default variable name is image collection. Okay, image collection already you see here is a two way for import any data set from Google Earth Engine public data catalog. So we use this one. If you want you can use anything, anyone, no problem. Just we remove one way and use. And okay, so you see here the this is our Landsat 8 dataset. Okay, Landsat 8 whole image collection you see here. If you want, you can easily, if you want, you can easily see the how many images, how many number of images stored in this data set. Okay, now we use the print function. Okay, print function and print Landsat 8. Okay, okay, this link reachable after 15 minutes, so no problem. I will send you link again. So learn, so simply copy and paste here and click to the run. You see here the image collection is computing, but because here you see the more than 1.8 million images, that's why it did not computing. We use here the size function for see as a round figure number or integer number. That's why you see here the image collection error. That means collection query aborted after accumulating over 5,000 elements. That's why it did show error. So now we use here the for this issue we use a size function. Size function indicate show as a integer number or round figure number. So now we go to the run. When you go to the run, you see here the number is computing. That means total number of images we see here. So after some time, because here you see the more than 1.8 million images available in this data set. That means Landsat 8 data set, top atmospheric collection 2 tier 1, this Landsat 8 data set stored more than 1.8 million images. Okay, so after some time we see this number is already computing, so no problem. So now we import our any study area. Okay, any study area from our asset, because lots of asset available in our asset tab. So from this asset, randomly I select one. Sorry, wait a minute. Randomly I select. Okay, so this is our Dhaka. division study area. So suppose we set here the ROI, that means zone of interest, or if you want you can use any variable name, suppose area of interest AOI. Okay, it's not a big deal. So in this time we use here the, suppose we filter our region. Okay, we filter our region. This is our study region. You see here easily from this description of this shape file. You see that this is our Dhaka. This is our study area shape file. So now already we open in our code editor. So now we use here the we take a variable. Variable, suppose we use here the filter region. Suppose how you can easily filter your specific study area. Filter region. Okay, filter, take a variable filter region and call this Landsat 8 dataset, because all of that okay, now you see here the more than 1.8 million images, more than 1.8 million images available in this dataset. From 1.8 million images we filtered for our only specific study area, for this study area. So that's why we call this total more than 1.8 million images stored in the variable name Landsat 8. Simply copy and paste here, and we use here the filter function, filter bounds function. Okay, filter bounds function is only filter our specific study area, selected specific area, filter bounds. All of the function is stored in the in our docs tab, because docs tab your friend as a new learner, as a beginners, you must be follow your doc step. Okay, you see here the filter bounds function. You see here the filter bounds function. Wait a minute. Okay, so filter bounds function. What is our filter bounds function? You see here from this here, shortcut the filter collection by intersecting with geometry. That means we in our total whole number of image collection intersect only our geometry, our study area. Item in the collection with the footprint is a fail to intersect. Okay, no problem. All of the description, if you want, you can learn easily. So don't worry about this. So we use the filter bounds function. Filter. What is our filter bounds? Our filter bounds, that means our geometry, our study area. Our study area is AOI, that means area of interest. Simply copy and paste here. We select from this one, from this total whole worldwide image collection, just we filter our only specific study area. This is our small study area of Dhaka. Okay, so now you easily find how many images available in your study area. Now we use here the print function. Print. So our this study area total, already we call our total whole image of Landsat 8. Then we filter only our study area using filter bounds function, and then this all of the filtered stored in the variable name filter region. So simply copy this filter region variable name and paste here. Now we use a size function for show as a integer number value and click the run. So now another number is computing line show in our console tab. After some second you see here the how many images available in your only study area. Okay, you see here the 1300, more than 1300, only 1300 images available in your study area in Dhaka. Okay, so now we filter, suppose we filter our metadata. That means how what percentage of cloud you access for your analysis. Suppose we take a variable and variable name is filter metadata. For better understanding, we use the filter metadata. Okay, equal sign, and call this filter region, because 1355 images stored in the variable name filter region. Simply copy this filter region and paste here. and then again we use here the filter metadata function, metadata. Okay, filter metadata, all of the function available in docs tab. Okay, if you want to learn about this function, just simply copy and paste in your docs tab, because docs tab your friend. You see here the metadata. Okay, metadata, you see here the filter metadata. That means filter collection by metadata. This equivalent to the filter. That means the filter metadata we filter less than, equal, greater than. Okay, less than, equal, greater than, all of the possible operator you can use easily. Equals, less than, greater than. Okay, all of them. Okay, now we use here the filter metadata function. What is our filter metadata? You see, you open this data set and go to the image properties. You see here the filter metadata. That means this this is our cloud cover, is our filter metadata. That means the percentage of the cloud. That means cloud or haze. Okay, so we simply copy this band name or image property name is cloud cover and paste here. Filter metadata, we simply paste here. Operator we select, operator we select our suppose less than. That means less than. Already I mentioned, you see here the metadata, you use here the equals, less than, or greater than. Okay, this operator you can uh, this operator easily you can use. So cloud cover, less than, less than, then we put the value. Suppose if you want to less than 1% cloud pixel per containing images, that means good images who is containing less than 1% cloud pixel percentage. Okay, now click to the run, click to the run. And if you want to show how many images available less than 1%, that means less than 1% cloud or haze pixel percentage, simply copy all of the filtered function stored in the variable name is filter metadata. So simply copy this name of filter metadata variable name and paste here, and use the size function for show as a integer number value. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, now click to the run. Now you see here, when we select the less than 1% cloud pixel percent, only 238 images we filtered from more than 1 million images. Okay, first of all, we see the whole image collection, total image collection of Landsat 8 top atmospheric data set. From this more than 1.8 million images, we filter by our specific study area using filter bounds function, and find filter only more than 1300 images. Okay, and after that we use here the filter metadata function. That means we use here the filter metadata is a cloud cover. We select the operator less than. Okay, less than 1%. If you increase this cloud pixel percent, suppose 5%, you see the number of images collection is filtered increasing 377. If you want to do 10%, also increase this number of image collection. Okay, wait a minute, 464 images. Okay, for good analysis, we always we follow less than 1% or less than 5% or less than 10%. So when we filter cloud pixel percentage or cloud haze pixel percentage less than 1%, only we find 238 images from more than 1.8 million images. Okay, so now you want your suppose you select your only specific time frame. So we take another variable. Suppose variable name is filter time. If you want, you can use any variable name, no problem. For better understanding, you use the filter time frame. Okay, filter time frame for your better understanding. So it's not a big deal. If you want, you can use any variable name, no problem. Filter time frame, and now in this time, you see here 238 images stored in the variable name filter metadata, because we all of the filter metadata function cloud cover less than 1%. Already we make this develop this function and store the variable name metadata. We simply copy and call this variable name filter metadata and use the filter date function, filter date function.